Well, hello there, and we're going to be looking at two perfumes from our friends at Fragrance World and French Avenue. These are perfumes that I think are going to be the gourmand ones because one of them is called Eclair Affair, and the other one is called Chocola Addict. So here we go. We're going to look at this one first. This is called Eclair Affair by our friends at French Avenue. I'm going to pull the paper off of this real quick, and then we're going to smell it and get it going here. I'm going to have to be careful as I get the paper off here because it is a little tight, but I will get the paper off here and we'll carefully get it off. All right, there it is right here. Beautiful. And pop it open. And there it is right there. And then we have the cap, which has all that beautiful creaminess up there. Looks really nice. Nice presentation. Heavy cap, by the way. And let's spray it. Something tells me this is going to be sweet and delicious, which is what I would expect from something called Eclair Affair. Ooh, yeah, this is so nice. Holy smokes. You're going to be so dangerously edible with this one. Jasmine, vanilla bean, coconut milk, caramel, amber, musk, tonka bean, and vanilla. Yeah, this is so yummy. So yummy. Really well done. Very, very gourmand. And it's the kind of gourmand that just makes you super edible. Super edible. Now, chocolate. I've always been curious about this. And I'm always curious to see what they do as far as chocolate goes. So I'm going to open this up real quick and then see what this is all about. So I've got the paper off. Here's Chocola Addict. Here's the bottle, nice and dark. Beautiful up top there. And I've got my notes here. Ooh. I do pick up on a smokiness in here, and that could be from the incense and the leather. There's amber, tangerine, chocolate, incense, leather, vanilla, and myrrh. This is not as super chocolatey as you'd expect. However, it is actually quite surprising. Quite surprising. Because yes, there's chocolate and tangerine in here, so like yes, you get that chocolate covered orange, but a lot of that incense and leather is what's popping out on this as well. So you're getting that big time with this one, and this is Chocola Addict. It's very dark, very sexy. This is your fall winter. This is definitely going to be something that is going to get attention for sure. So check it out when you get a chance from our friends at Fragrance World and French Avenue. Here it is right here, Chocola Addict and Eclair Affair together. All right, folks, thank you so much for tuning in and have a great day. Bye-bye.